God damn, DeMarcus. Man, passing my lane, you heard me? Want me to tell a story? Fuck. Needs be inspiration. I'm talking about bitch fuck mine off, you heard me? I'm out here chilling, my nigga. She tryna play me. But you can't play a player, you feel me? And that's just real shit. Bitch gave me head or whatever, you know what I'm saying? I'm doing my thing, you feel me? I told the bitch, that's why you gave me head anyway, ho. The fuck? She say, Bird, that's really all you wanted? Well, bitch, you guessed it. Woo! You ate my pie.
Goddamn me like a chocolate payday, you hear me? Fuck, nigga.
Bitch, you guessed it. I tell a little bitch, she sucked me out nice.
All night, nigga, goddamn. Fuck the
Like for real.
bullshit, nigga.
Bitch, you guessed it. You still don't got no hair? Man, that's a shame.
Goddamn, that bitch got a sag on her shit, nigga. What
Woo!
the fuck?
Bitch, you guessed it. I still got a picture of you niggas.
I do. It's right here. Goddamn me, fuck.
Yeah.
Get money.
Bitch, you done guessed it. Sippin' on lean got me reckless. Why do y'all niggas be flexin'? I want this little nigga that text me. This cat is gon' rest ya. Don't wanna do it, but niggas I make it. Niggas get crazy, block like I'm Jamaican. I'm just tryna make it. Don't really have patience. My mind duplicated. Got weapons that hit you and make your bullet constipated. Passing my lean, my medication I really can't see. My eyes too jacky. You fucking with virgin went up in the casket. Like real shit, my nigga. That bitch you can't help. West out the real is I stay rolling 60. You kissing that bitch and you kissing my chick. You got heat for that ass. Talk whole shit on Timmy and a bitch bald head. So I call a skillet biscuit like that. People might say Bird is wrong. Man, fuck that little bitch, man. That whole shit known. But after this song, I might leave alone. Not after this song, I ain't really alone. But fuck it, beat the thing up. Had to hit her on my mama couch. This is on my dick, pre-nut, all up in the mouth. Then I kicked her out. At my house, bitch, get the fuck out. Haven't walking back to Tay house. Real shit, nigga come through with the full clip on crib. Nigga talking down to get the full clip. Feel this, don't got time for that bullshit. Chillin' in the club with beast smith like hold this. Bitch real dumb, you can never play Bird. And the bitch kinda early, kinda look like Papa Smurf. Gotta get up on the ass, cause you really gotta learn. Don't forget you at my house, talk about
Oh, my toe hurt.
like damn, free all my kinfolks, I wish I could help them. Man, I don't smoke, man, that nigga to sell it. They call me young bird cause I stay with them filters. Them can't what the watching that bitch is all leather. This a freestyle off the dome. Man, shout out to Tay, man, your friend should've known. Shout out to Lil J-Mo, he done put me on. Shout out to Lil Danny, I bet he just eating the reasons at home. Yeah, man, you was right.
Yeah, you was, nigga.
Woo!
Goddamn.
I mean the bitch, like bitch, you guessed it. I still be fucking all night. Fuck man, my G. But bitch, you guessed it. Still don't got no job. And that's some broke ass.
I ain't giving you shit, don't ask me. Goddamn it.
Yeah, bitch, you guessed it. I'm still with my niggas. Como, Texas. Yeah,
Goddamn
get
fuck.
money.
I'm talking about
Bitch, you
bitch
guessed it.
thought I wasn't gonna do it, you heard me? I told her I would, nigga. Don't fuck mine off that bullshit, nigga. Like real shit, nigga. I'ma come through like Kung Fu, you heard me? Shit, I'm at you just chillin', my nigga. Don't ever try to do this shit no more, man. That's real shit, my nigga. Goddamn me. But I'ma leave all that right there what it is, though, my nigga. Say, free John, nigga. Free Zay, and free Lil C, you heard me? We out here thugging, you feel me? Can't wait till y'all get out, nigga. Fuck it. Bitch, you guessed it.